In this video, we are going to discuss about business case. So, what is a business case? A business case is a decision support document or a planning system document. What is a decision support document? A decision support document is to analyze the consequences of some decisions. How to analyze the consequences of some decisions? In past or in present, whatever decisions we take based on the consequences occurred, will be analyzing based on this document. This document will be documented for each and every impact and urgency based, so that whenever you take some decisions, everything will be maintained in this support document. So, usually in this form or report, it may contain background and history of the consequence. So, how the consequence occurred, for why it has been occurred, and what the resolution we have provided or what the workaround we have provided to get the service back. And also facts and figures, validity period of the document. What are the facts actually, how it got occurred? Like if you take an example, in an office suddenly a network got dropped. So, why the network got dropped? Where is the problem actually occurred? What is the problem with, is the problem with the device or is the problem with the local area network? Comes under here. So, what are the figures? Based on this facts, figures or graphical representations will be available. So, coming to the validity period of the document also has a validity period from year to year. What are the risks and mitigation plans? What are the risks involved here and what are the steps taken to move out these risks? Coming to recommendations, based on this document, each and every time when the impact and urgency has been involved, what are the recommendations provided to minimize these risks? Example of a business case in a study report for why should we buy 34 Mbps link. As I said, an example, office has a network down suddenly. So, what is the problem here? If the problem is with the router, then what we can do with the router? If the problem is with the Mbps link, so how much the speed can be increased, like from 2 Mbps to 10 Mbps, 10 Mbps to 15 Mbps. Based on this, the business cases are prepared based on the study report here. In the next video, we will be looking after the business impact analysis and its uses.